NoSaladEatinChix. I'm Sin.
And I'm Uno.
And guess what we have for you today?
We are doing our makeup on camera. Often we get questions about our makeup, like what products do we use? How do we do this? So we thought it'd be fun to make some drinks.
Yummy Moscow meals that Uno made. It's so
yes,
good.
it's so good. Maybe we'll show you a little later. And we're gonna just have some girl talk and do our makeup. Yes, we definitely have a lot of our favorite YouTube girls that we follow. Ladies and gentlemen, I must say. And we will talk about it a little later, so stay tuned and get your makeup on.
Yay! So we'll start with moisturizer. Very, very important. You want your skin to be moisturized. So I have like kind of sensitive skin. I get red easily, so I use the Natura Bissé. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I love it. You can find it at Neiman. It's just great for my skin. So I like it. Try it. See if you like it.
And I started using Lancome. It's awesome. Price range, kind of expensive, but it lasts for a very, very long time. So I always think it's a really good investment. But the moisturizer that I've been using lately is their Visionaire Cream Multi-Corrector, fundamentally.
And I use that sometimes too. I like their moisturizer also.
Very light. It's perfect for every day. It's awesome. Then you always want to prime your face.
Primer.
Face primer. There's couple of them that I like. I've started using the MAC primer. It's pretty good. I like it so far.
And I use the Smashbox. Basic little, actually it's not basic, it's like $40, but it's great. And
then they have another one that I use. There's a photo finish, but it's for like a more matte finish. And my face is more oily. It gets oily easy. So I always go for the matte primers more so than just like for the normal or oily or for normal skin.
Normal skin. Good detail.
Just saying.
And that the primer really helps. Makes your foundation go on very smooth. So I really say that's a good investment. Okay, foundation time.
Okay, so she uses foundation. I don't like to use foundation so much because I don't like putting on so much. I don't like putting on a lot of product. I would put foundation on if I was going like out or if we had to do another shoot or something. I just feel like it makes my skin look oily off the back. So I use it very sparingly.
I use the Naked Skin Urban Decay shade 5.0. And it's really light. I like it because it's light. And it gives me that nice little medium coverage. And then I have my Sigma brush. And I'm just going circles.
And while she's doing her foundation, I'm going to do my eyebrows. And I get a lot of questions on my eyebrows, and I literally only use like 3 things. I use the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color dark brown, and it's perfect because it lasts for a very long time because it's a pencil, so you can like shave it down, and it has the spool on the end, so you can spool your eyebrow things out. But this is the best bang for your buck, I think. And then I also have this Essence of Beauty brow color thing. I don't know, I got this at Walgreens. It was literally like $4, but sometimes I fill in with this shade right here.
And I use MAC's eyeshadow and the MAC eyebrow brush. It's just easy for me so I can follow my lines.
So for my concealer, I like to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I have the color Fawn. This is like heaven sent. You guys, you can find these in, I feel like I've seen this at Walgreens once before, but usually in the beauty supply store, they're literally like $2, but they are the best, I think, so far. I did tell myself I was gonna try some different, more concealers, because I have been sticking with this for like 2 years now since I found out I haven't really let go of it. So I am going to try to expand and try something else. But this is my go-to if you are on a budget, if you are starting out. Yes.
Love it. It works good. It works really good.
She's used it a couple times, but she couldn't find her.
And I could find my color, and then let you test it, so I couldn't. And I use Naked Urban Decay as my concealer. Shade Light Warm. I'm already a little pale, so I don't like to highlight more paleness to myself, you know. So now that I got the contour all drawn on my face, I just use a bronzer contour brush and I spray it with my MAC spray. I just go in, circular motion,
For my contour, I use the Black Opal foundation stick, and I just kind of contour my cheeks a little bit and bring some color through here. And I use my Real Techniques blending brush. I love Real Techniques. Their brushes are the bomb.
The bomb.
You can find these anywhere. These are at Walgreens, Ulta. So wait, did you show them how to contour that? Like you really,
yeah, you're right.
Contouring really does take time and practice.
Yeah, because I used to do it really low and it made my cheeks look low. So now I start from the top of my earlobes, literally just to the end of my eyes, because that's the shape of my face. You gotta go with your face, you know? Woo, okay.
All right, now I'm going to finish my whole face with this Black Opal finishing powder. And there's a lot of different kind of powders, but I really like Black Opal. I didn't know I had so many. Now I'm talking about it.
Right.
This is definitely a drugstore brand, very affordable. You can find these at Walgreens, you can find them at CVS, and probably, I think Ulta has them as well. So you guys should check this brand out. Looking for my sisters or, you know, my brown skin folks.
And then I'm gonna just top it off with some bronzer. MAC Refined Golden. I love it, I love it. Just adds a nice little glitter on top of the contour. This is. I love it so much. I'm red.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go over my under eye highlighter and my forehead with this loose powder.
What are you doing
this
next?
This looks just very, very, very fresh face. And I'm pretty much done. All I need is put some bronzer, highlighter, and some blush.
Then we'll go to our eyes. Yes. So I love Jaclyn Hill's Becca palette.
She does.
I love it, I love it. Works good for my color.
Just to do the face?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the highlight and blush.
And then
I'm done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Done?
And then I'm done with my face.
Oh, okay.
And then yeah, I just do eyeliner because you know I don't wear eyeshadow. Champagne pop is what I like. And I love my Morphe brush. Love it, so flat and fluffy. Look at that.
It looks really fun.
It's so fun. Just go ahead and brush it in there. And I go from under the eye out.
Under eye out.
Like
I'm gonna talk about some of the contour kits that I use. I have the Tarteist contour. This is Makeup Shameless contour kit. It's awesome. It has 2 highlighters, you know, something. This is another corrector, so people use that as a translucent, but I like my Laura Mercier. There's a blush and 2 contours. So I like to just go through here and just go through my highlight just one time.
That's nice.
It's really cool. It's just perfect to travel with. They're all in one. I really like this one.
Right.
Then my other one that I have is my Black Radiance one. This is awesome. The highlighter is amazing. The contour is great. Everything's awesome on here too. So I like to use this one as well sometimes.
And while I'm done with the highlight, I'm just gonna blush it, same palette, and then I'm done with my face.
Yeah. So we're gonna move into my blush area.
Love blush.
My go-to is the Lovejoy Mineralized Blush from MAC. It's the best. Sometimes I just use this as a bronzer sometimes. I skip the bronzer thing and just put it on. It's just a really good color for my skin tone. I love it, I love it, I love it.
Love blush, makes your whole face.
And then moving on to my highlighter. So there's 2 of my favorite highlighters that I wear. I go back and forth. And I've been going on a highlighter spree because people have been coming out with some crazy ass ones. But my favorite highlighter ever is Artist Couture. Hands down.
Shout out to you, Mac Daddy.
Hey, we like you, boy. That's one of our YouTubers that I follow that, you know, really showed us different techniques of things. And when I tell you his highlighter is so bomb, it's so bomb. And then my girl Jackie Ayana, Jackie, I love you. I follow her as well. She came out with her own collab with Artist Couture, and this is her highlighter La Peach.
La Peach.
And I've been going for this all the time. It's just a really cute bronze.
Ooh,
wear all the
shiny.
time. Yeah,
I like that.
So pretty.
That's pretty.
And it's just very like purple, dark.
And then while she finishes that, I'm gonna just go to my eyes. So I go really dark with my eyes and I wear eyelashes all the time. As you can see, I have strips on right now. And I just do a big wing eyeliner up and I do a navy blue color on the bottom and then I'm done with the eyes. So I use Kat Von D's ink eyeliner. I love it. I think it's the best.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty dope. No, this is a Sigma brush. It is the F35 brush. This is the best highlighter brush I've ever had in my life.
Love Sigma. So I just have my little wing. I just like to go up and then connect it. If that makes sense.
Okay guys, so Sid doesn't really like to wear eyeshadow like that, but I've been playing around with some eyeshadow palettes, so I'm going to show you just a couple of things that I've been doing. I'm going to do some real, that looks really good.
Thanks. Wow. And then I'm done. Blue, navy blue eyeliner at the bottom makes my eyes look a little bigger.
She does.
And then my big wing, mascara it up, and then that's my look.
So this is one of the things, this is what I would do every day. I prime my eyes with the 24-hour anti-crease from Too Faced. This is the best eyeshadow primer I think that's out on the market. And then from Makeup Shayla's palette, I'm just going to use one of the contour colors to use in my crease. This is one reason why I really like this palette, because you can use it for your eyeshadow. So when I travel, sometimes I'm just good with this. Let me Okay, and then after I blend this out, this is just even, this is just enough. I'm just gonna use my finger and I'm gonna go in with this, one of the highlight colors, like this. And I'm just gonna go down the middle of my.
Of course, like we said, our favorite MAC spray.
Perfect. I've been using this Maybelline curled. It's like at this little angle to it. It's really cool. It just really moves with you. And I really love this eyeliner. My eyeliner, I like to pull this part of my eye out because it just gives me more of a, you know, a
longer wing,
a platform to work with.
I loved it because I had a friend who would order as much makeup as me and we wouldn't feel bad about it.
Actually, Sin, I was going to tell you, I finally got Huda Beauties.
Oh, you like
hers is really good. I think they will look really good on you too. But her lipsticks are really good. I love her. Her lashes are the bomb. Bomb. If you can try them, please do. They're the bomb.
And I think my favorite lipsticks are MAC's liquid lipsticks are one of my favorite. And my favorite of all time I go to is ColourPop Stingray. Remember they're like out of stock until I ordered like 6 of them at a time.
Yep.
So I have a lot of these. I just love it.
If you guys still want to see some more in-depth things, you just let us know, comment, let us know on our Instagram or our Snapchat, like whatever you want to see. We here for you. We doing this for y'all.
Yeah.
For the people.
And so to show you our love.
Yes. I'm putting my lashes on. My favorite lashes right now are the Coco Queen Bee lashes. They're like $7. You find them online. Alright, before I put my lashes on, I always like to put some mascara.
Yes.
My favorite that I've been obsessing over is the Benefit Their Real mascara. But I decided to try their new ones. I got the little sample size because I wasn't sure if I liked it yet. So I got the sample. You know, it's called Bad Girl Bang. Ooh. And I always like to go do one little swig under my lashes before I put my fake ones on. And
it really helps. It helps stick the lashes onto those lashes. Your real lashes.
Wow, that's a really good mascara.
Yeah, your eyelashes is popping. And I use Lancome, the little gift bag.
So this is a mascara I would use on a regular basis if I wasn't even putting. This is a really good mascara. Good job, Benefit. I always fucks with y'all. These tweezers are perfect. I have the regular ones, but you always kind of want to get the tweezers like this that you can like squeeze your lash on. And I just literally kind of just like look down And I place the lash on top.
Look straight is the key. Okay, so I'm gonna finish off with my Stingray ColourPop. And I usually do the liner, but the ColourPop's brush is so great, it lines it while you go. So 2 hearts.
I like to use the like the lighter eyeliner on my bottom lash. It just kind of makes your lashes pop a little more, very natural look. And then I'm gonna do my lips as well. What's up? What's up? Sorry, I'm just trying this new color I got from MAC.
I love MAC's lipstick.
It's nude, but I love MAC. Okay, so the one that I really, so we have so many favorites. I really love Colored Rain. Colored Rain is a really good brand. It's awesome. But one that I just started to get into is Keisha Kayor's lip sticks.
Shouts to you, Keisha.
They're so cute. I'm going to show you. I'm going to use the color Cocoa Latte. Because I'm kind of cocoa latte.
Okay.
Or whatever that means.
Sure.
So it comes with the lipstick and you get the glitter and then you have the applicator. So I'm going to get going because it kind of, it's a process.
So many compliments. I like it. It looks smooth.
It is very smooth and velvety.
Yeah, I like it.
And then you gotta go with the applicator and then you just take your time and get going.
Ooh, that's smooth. It kind of feels like the Kim K contour. That's how creamy it is. That's nice. See you, Keisha. Ooh. And you apply the diamonds on.
Yeah,
the diamonds.
Yeah, how the glitz to
and it sticks to the lipstick.
Yeah, it sticks to the lipstick.
Wow, it looks good.
It doesn't even have that much fallout, and it feels really natural. It feels really good.
It's not like sticky or pokey.
Wow, it feels really good.
I wonder if all you need is just a bigger brush applicator.
Kind of like my only suggestion is that it just has. I have 3 things, so when I was taking it in my clutch, I just had 3 things I had to make sure I didn't lose. And these are kind of small, so it's really easy to lose these things. But yeah, a bigger application would be better. Actually, let me show my finger. It's really soft glitter. It feels really soft. And we're gonna put the links to pretty much everything that we use below. And you guys can just see if you like it. Just comment, let us know what you think. Do you want us to do more makeup tutorials? Do you want us to do just lipsticks one time?
Hey,
do you want us to do highlighter? What do you want us to cook? I hope y'all made y'all man some steaks and Brussels sprouts, baby. I don't know.
What you think? Not too bad, huh?
Yeah, I just topped my stuff off with the Fix It spray.
We love it.
We love it. This is the mother holy grail.
Sponsor us, send us some boxes. We use you so much.
We love your lipsticks. We love you guys. There's some really cool brands out here, and we have been the guinea pig, and we've looked through. So we'll do some more makeup stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this.
Don't forget to follow us on all social media for all our updates.
Yes, that's Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter.
All the good stuff.
And like and subscribe to our channel. I don't understand why you haven't done that yet.
Yeah, no.
And then join us on the next adventures of the No Salad Eating Chix.